Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add kids account on your phone on your Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform, and from here you'll be going to this plus icon which says plus, and then below it says add profile. Just go over here and then just name your profile. Let's say kids, or you can go with this one here. It says kids profile, and you can just toggle it on and then add the name, and then just press on save, and then your kids profile will be created like this. So it's simple, and that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.